Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we have something extra special. I got a wild hair and I bought something that's going to help out the channel a lot when it comes to videoing. You probably already saw it in the title, so let's get right into the unboxing of the DJI Mavic Air 2. I'm so excited. This is the first time I've had a drone, so I know nothing about it. So we're going to learn together, and yeah, so let's get at it. All right, so first things first, we're gonna unbox this. I'm excited because this is the first time I'm getting to see it as well. Ooh. All right, let's start with this box. All right, we got the manuals. Oh, this is actually the Fly More combo. With the Fly More combo, you get a bag, you get the regular charger, which we probably won't use much because we have the 3-bank charger, 2 extra batteries, you get lens filters, you get extra propellers. This thing looks amazing. I can't wait to dig into it. See what else we have in the box. Oh yeah, here's the extra propellers, side B and side A. Oh, here's the big deal, the big ticket. Nothing in the pocket. You get a front pocket. Oh. Check that out. Oh, side B, side A. It must be from the propellers. Oh, oh, I'm new to this, so please bear with me. Man, that looks awesome.
That is nice.
This is a cover for your transportation. Here's all your sensors, your bottom sensor, your ground sensor, your rear sensor. Let's take a look at that.
Does it already have the other battery attached, or what's that on top?
Yeah, so this is the battery that comes with it. Plus, there's 2 more batteries, should be in here. So we'll open those here in a second.
How heavy is it?
I don't know.
27 pounds?
27 pounds? I don't know. We'll provide all those statistics in the description because honestly, I don't know them. Here's the remote. This thing, oh cool. All the sticks are in the bottom. You can see that. The sticks are in the bottom. So then you pop them out, screw them in, you're ready to go. And from what I did a little bit of research, and these modes right here, it's a normal, sport, and tripod. Tripod does a slow revolution around the object or whatever you're doing. So that way it gets a really smooth picture during your video. Normal is a little faster and sport is a lot faster, but the active tracking doesn't engage with the sport mode. This is your home button. So there's your function button, your camera. Well, it changes to camera mode. Oh, cool. Here's your, if you want to take a picture or record. And this is your gimbal mount, your up and down vertical gimbal mount.
So does a cell phone attach to that, or?
Oh yeah, yeah. So your cell phone attaches right here, and you connect your phone to this cable right here. It uses the DJI Fly app to show your video on your screen and all the like your altitude, stuff like that. Charging cable. Got some stuff falling out. Let's see what's in this box. Okay, we have 3-bank charging station. And from what I've read, this will not charge them all at the same time, but we'll charge one by one. But it's still nice that you don't actually have to go check on it. It just does it automatically. Here's battery number 2 and battery number 3. It's nice that the bag has indentions and it's all molded to fit the drone itself. So that way it's nice. It carries nicely. You don't have to worry about it getting damaged. I really like the bag. It's pretty sweet. And it's compact too. It makes everything compact. And then you have your charger here. This is actually your power supply. You just plug it in right there and plug it in and you're on your way. I know there's more because I haven't found the lens covers or the other charger. So it's got to be in here somewhere. So So let's dig farther in here and see. There's a pocket right here. I'm sure it's probably in here. Oh yeah. What is that? Oh, that's the other cables. So the one that's in the controller now is for Apple phones. This is for Android phones. So I have an Android, so I would just swap this cable out with this one. It's a USB-C connector. Here's some extra sticks in case something happens to the ones you have here. Nice. You have your charging cable.
That's probably for your phone.
Now this is your cable to connect your controller to the computer so we can update the firmware. There's another cable in here. This is for phones that or Android that have the previous the USB micro. So here's the other cable. Looks like DJI did a good job of making sure that any type of phone can be used, Android or Apple or different older models. So that's awesome. So let's check these out. These are the camera filters for, oh no, this is the charger. So there we go. So you plug in your USB cable, plug it into a normal charging block, and then you can also charge up, looks like a second device, like anything, like maybe a phone, which is cool. Or one could be for your battery, the other could be for your controller, which that makes sense as well. Looks like these should be the filters. Comes in a little case. That's cool. So here's your filters. ND16, ND64, and ND256. So I'm guessing those are the different shades. I'll do some more research and make sure that I know what I'm doing before I actually go fly this thing, because this thing is not cheap. Now, for the price, it is excellent for all the stuff that you get. The drone is $7.99, I think, and then you get the Fly More combo for like $199 or something like that. It was like $999 for this entire kit, which pricing it against other types of drones that have similar features, this one is much cheaper. I got this because I feel like it's an investment for the channel. We want to bring you the best shots, and we're only getting better, so that's why I bought this. So when we do things outside, we're racing the cars or jumping or whatever the case may be, we have some cool things coming that this will come in very handy for. So that's why I bought this. So I'm going to learn how to fly this thing, and then we'll do some more content with the drone itself. So now that we have everything unboxed, I know we have to update the firmware, so I'm going to figure out how to do that, and then we're going to go ahead and update the firmware and do our calibration test. So I will bring you along for that. So let's get into it. All right, so as you can see, I went ahead and plugged up all the batteries, so it's going to charge the batteries. I also plugged up the controller so that way it can get charged. I swapped out the cable to the USB-C so I can use my phone. And now it's time to go ahead and start the process of the calibration. And to do that, I need the batteries to be charged, and then I also need to put the propellers on. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Let's go ahead and start putting on the propellers. So there's two packages here, one marked A and one marked B. So we're going to put them on the corresponding locations. Now, it's easy to do because they're marked with either gray or black. Once you do it once, you probably won't forget. Otherwise, from what I've heard, if you don't put it on the right location, it'll flip. Oh wow, there's a bunch of these.
They knew you was going to need them.
Yeah, they knew I was flying, that's what it is. So there's 4 extra sets. So all right, first time, it looks like, okay, the lock shows pressing it in. You can see it by the ring, that's what it is. There's a ring on it, and the ring shows where it's supposed to go.
So this is wrong, isn't it?
Yeah,
it's wrong.
So yeah, that's what I was saying. So this one,
We're just learning about drones.
yeah, we're just learning. So this one doesn't have a ring. It's unmarked, so that'll go on to B. and it shows it going the correct direction. Yeah. Okay.
Nice.
You learn, you live and you learn. I'm excited to get this thing on its maiden voyage. We'll go chase some dogs or something. I'm just kidding.
Your dog would love to chase that thing
I
around.
know my dog would probably chase it. Okay.
What else, Poppy?
Well, it's Poppy. You're Poppy. All right. So all the stickers are off that I can see. So I'm going to go ahead and put this back on just to make sure that it's protected. All right. So let's go ahead and download the DJI app because we need that first to then connect to the remote. Okay. Now that we have the DJI app installed, we are going to go ahead and connect to the controller. Now you will also need a DJI account. You'll need to go on my.dji.com and create an account. Now there is a slight possibility I'll have to remove my case because it's pretty thick. I guess it's okay, but if it becomes a problem, I'll have to remove it, which is fine. Okay, now we have the battery charge up. You can tell by pressing the button and it will come up and have 4 lights showing that it's completely charged. Ooh. Just going through all the app steps. Tells you have to confirm this, confirm that, activate this, activate that.
It speaks.
It speaks. Restart aircraft to complete activation.
All right.
Ooh, okay, now it's time to do the firmware update. So it has a new update, so I'm going to go ahead and click install. Click update. It says it'll take 44 to 10 minutes. So we'll see what happens. So we'll speed this up and get back to you. 40%. 70%. 92%. Oh, we got flashing lights. Oh, firmware installed. It says go fly. Oh, we have video.
Well,
take off the
protective lens cover. And I think he's probably about ready to fly this thing, aren't you?
I'm a little nervous, I'll be honest. So we're gonna take this thing outside so we can do a little bit of preparation, pre-flight checks, all that stuff, and we're gonna do our first flight. Let's go. I'm excited. All right. Burning daylight, so we gotta get this done quick, but
Looks like a storm up there too.
it does look like a storm is coming, so we're gonna have to get this done quick. So,
Oh, I'm getting away from it.
oh, it'll go
Uh-oh.
6 feet, 1.2 meters.
Okay. That should be as high as your
Oh.
fence. Oh. Don't hit the fence.
3 meters.
Uh-oh.
All right, let's start the recording of this thing. Oh, video.
there you go.
There we go. 4K. Ooh, let's record some 4K for you. All right, here we go.
Alright.
All right, we're recording.
Alright. If you get in trouble, hit that home button.
Yep. All right, that goes back and forth.
Oh yeah. You gotta be easy with her.
Just turns it.
Very slight controls, bro.
It's set like that for now
Okay.
because I don't know what I'm doing.
Okay.
Let's do the gimbal.
Are you turning the gimbal down?
Yeah, it's looking down. It's looking at
Can you see Lily in the pool?
It's looking at the pool.
Oh, sweet. Sweet. Don't land it in the pool.
Oh no.
Pop Lily's duck over there.
Oh, there's the shot. Hey, there we are. Wave at it, Jimmy. Oh, let's look at this, the storm. There we go. Ooh, look at that.
Blue's watching it.
Oh, where's Blue?
She's right there. She's getting below
Oh,
it.
hi, Blue. Oh.
Take it forward towards her. I have to figure that out. What is that, Blue? Oh. Bad storm.
Yeah, but when you look over this way, look how pretty that looks. I love this thing. We're gonna have to do some crazy stuff.
Yeah.
Once I learn how to drive it.
You having fun?
Oh, I'm having a blast. This is fun.
It's looking right at me.
No, it's not.
It looks like
You're
it.
looking at the butt.
I'm looking at it. Butt.
Oh, the dog ran away. She's scared. I mean, look how smooth that is. That's on normal.
Whoa. That thing's a little rocket,
All right,
dude.
let's try this
Auto land.
auto land.
All right, I'm getting out of its. I'm getting out of its hole. I'm gonna let it land. Okay.
Landing. Oh, it's turning the right direction.
Oh yeah. Here it comes. It's doing that itself, huh?
Yep. Coming in for landing. Oh, that is awesome.
A few moments later.
It's raining so hard. It's hailing. Woo! My gosh. Man, my fence is about to blow away. That was amazing. I hope you liked the footage from the drone. I am so excited that we bought this thing for the channel. It's going to provide a ton of extra content. We're going to put a link to this sucker in the description. You know, we're not sponsored by DJI or anything like that, but we're going to have a lot of fun with this thing. With that said, if you like the content of today's video, make sure you hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed, and hit that like button because that's how we grow. So God bless you, God bless America, be empowered, out.